LaTeX offline. Now, if you're going to run it offline, then take note that you can download the installer for Windows, macOS, or Linux. All right. Now, for the offline, you will need the LaTeX distribution, and you also need a text editor. So the LaTeX distribution is the main LaTeX system, and then the text editor kinds of gives you a graphical interface that you can use to do your editing in a flexible and convenient way. That's what it is. So let's look at where we can download the LaTeX distribution and the text editor. So let's go back to the page. I'll go back to this page. There's the page. I'll leave the link to this page also in the description box. So when you are here, when you scroll down, yeah, a bit, you see Linux, macOS, Windows, and it also even gives you the online. Okay, so these are links that you can use to generate your LaTeX document online. So Overleaf, which we just talked about, we also have Papiria, and we have Coca. So all these are there. All right, so based on your knowledge here, you can use these other ones. All right, so this is the LaTeX distribution. So what I have to do is to download and set it up. And take note that I have a separate tutorial that shows how to install LaTeX locally. So just watch that. For this tutorial, I assume that you are going to set them up. But if you have a challenge, just check the description box. You'll find the link that will help you to set LaTeX up on your system. Okay, so that's for the LaTeX distribution. You also need a text editor for LaTeX. And so that one too, this is the page. I use Text Studio, which is cool. And so you also have to download this Text Studio too. Okay, again, when you click on download, you have options. All right, we have for Windows, we have for Linux. All right, and I think for macOS, there's another tool that I have to use. Okay, yeah, you also have it for macOS, which is also here. All right, so again, Windows, Linux, macOS, Text Studio works. Take note there are other text editors. There are likely to be others. I'm used to the Text Studio. That's why I'm showing you this, but it's possible to find other text editors as well. So just take note of that. The link to Text Studio is in the description box. So use that to download Text Studio and set up. Take note that Text Studio will only work if you have the LaTeX distribution installed and set up properly on your system. Take note of that. All right, now let's go to the offline. I have already set up mine, by the way, so I'll move straight to my offline setup, and that's where we are going to continue. All right, so our shifts, I'm using a Linux system. I have set it up, and so this is my Text Studio. Now, when you're on the Text Studio, take note that there are different options available for you. We have functionality that will allow you to change the text, font size, font type, etc. But we are just going to keep it simple here. Now, for Text Studio, it's intuitive, so you can easily create your documents, edit. So I'll come to File, I'll go to New to get my new form, which I'll work in. All right, and so let's look at how we are going to do the rest of the activities here. Okay, now I'll do this. I'll create my document, which we've done already. So I'll say /document class, and then I'll bring my square brackets 10 pt. That's what I'll use. So that means when you render it, the font size will be 10 pt. I'll indicate my article, which is here. So this is what we get here. Now, if the font size is too small, you can change it. Let me show you how to do that. I think it's somewhere here. Let's see. Let's go to Configure Text Studio. Let's see. We have General. I think I need the editor itself, which is here. So here I'll change to, let's say, 14. That's the only thing I'll do here, just to increase the editor font size. Okay, good. So now it's a bit bigger. We can still make it bigger. Let's say 16, just so that you can all see properly. Okay, great.